Hi, welcome to Auto Clearing Collision Center. In today's BodyShop 101 educational video, I want to discuss hail on multiple vehicles. First and foremost, I want to stress that you must carry a package policy on all the vehicles through the same insurance company. Now this could get a little complicated, but in this situation it can save you a lot of money. So let's say that you've got 3 vehicles at the lake, all are covered under a package policy. They belong to yourself, your wife, or maybe your children, as long as you all live in the same household. Hail hits, each vehicle carries a different deductible. Do I fix all 3 vehicles? Do I pay 3 deductibles? What do you do? Well, it's pretty simple. SGI and any other aftermarket insurance company will make you pay the highest deductible. Now, what I mean by that is, let's say your truck carries a $200 deductible, the wife's Jeep at $200, the trailer, let's say a $500 deductible. Again, through all the same insurance company. You would pay the $500 deductible on the trailer, the deductible on your truck, and of course the wife's vehicle would be waived. Now again, I want to stress that this only applies with a package policy, with the same company, and all vehicles have to live under the same roof. So that can apply to your truck, your trailer, the wife's vehicle, or your children if they live under your roof. Then you would, like I stated earlier, pay 1 deductible. A lot of people aren't aware of this, and they're scared of multiple claims, thinking they're going to pay multiple deductibles. Not necessarily is that the case. It can also relate to your house insurance. You can add to that list as well. But again, I stress the same insurance company. There's a lot of perks to dealing with one company, and this is definitely one of them. So any questions about this, you can give us a call. You can discuss this with any SGI insurance broker. But that's just something I want to stress on tonight, is to notify the public that possibly in some worst case scenarios where you think it's really bad, it might not be so bad and we can save you some deductible costs. Thanks for watching our video. We really appreciate it. Please help us to like and share this video. Take care out there, drive safe, enjoy the summer, and most importantly, stay safe. Thanks for watching.